Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my channel Cute Twins Neenan. I bring before you videos which are very useful into your day-to-day life, which is very simple, which is cost friendly too. Now in this video I'm going to share with you 5 different tools which are always necessary in my kitchen and which you too can keep it in your kitchen. I will bring before you its uses and how valuable and it can save you lots of time and money. So this is the first tool, which is a scissor. A scissor is a must in my kitchen, which I can cut any of the food packets and then which I can easily pour into any containers, and whenever I finish it I have to keep it back in its proper place and see that you are keeping it far away from kids. A butter knife. A butter knife is very important tool yet in my kitchen, which is helping me for the basic use to apply butter, jam and cheese spread for all my sandwiches. It helps me mainly to turn any fish or chicken or even papad when I'm frying, as in I fried or shallow fry or deep fried. So this is one important tool which you have to have in your kitchen. Very much recommended. The third tool is the potato peeler. This is yet another important tool which is always there in my kitchen. It helps to peel potatoes, cucumber, apples, pears, and I love this product, which is very helpful. It is now with me from about 7 to 8 years and its sharpness is still the same. So I recommend guys, this tool is a must in your kitchen. The next tool is a grater. It is a mini grater which is very useful. It helps to grate a ginger or cheese, or for that sake even onions for any of the small masalas which you require. But this is a must in my kitchen, which is like I need ginger in my tea every single time. So guys, I recommend this too in your kitchen. It's really very economical and it doesn't take any space. Last but not the least is my dear stapler. A stapler is very helpful when you open any packet and then again you have to seal it back. You just fold a bit off from where you have cut it and then you can staple it and keep it in an airtight box where you can always relish fresh food. So this is really a must in my kitchen, and of course the stapler pins too. This is a kangaroo stapler which comes with 10 of stapler pins. So guys, this was my short video of very important kitchen tools which is very economical and it's a must in my kitchen. You can also have it in your kitchen. Give it a try. It doesn't cost much money. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please give a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for guys? Please hit the subscribe and the bell icon to get all the latest notifications. Thank you guys. Stay tuned and stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.